Hey, I thought I'd record this for you guys, those of you who are interested in trading options professionally, like butterflies, iron condors, or credit spreads, etc. Okay, so I'm about to take a butterfly trade or timefly trade, and I just want to show you or demonstrate here how you do it using the IBKR Interactive Brokers platform. So this is the Interactive Brokers platform. Once you've got it open to the TWS, what you do, let's say we're taking a trade on SPX, so you search here SPX and you go to the SPX index here and you click on new window and you click on option chain. Now if you're just buying a call or selling a call, or buying a put or selling a put, like a simple single sort of trade, it's quite straightforward. You just do it. Right, but if you want to do like a multi-leg, like a credit spread, or like a iron condor or butterfly, there's a multiple trades, several legs to the one trade. So what I want to do, I want to go to the in this case, where I'm actually going to take this trade live anyway, so I'll just show you guys. So when I take this one, what you want to do is there's a strategy tester here, build on the bottom. You want to click it so it's on, and then that's how you do your legs. You want to buy a 4690 put. So 4690 strike price put, I want to buy it, so that's a long there. And what I also want to do is I want to sell short 4740 put. Whatever you want to do, right? In my case, I choose those prices, but you can do whatever you want. You could choose slightly different prices, or you could just follow my alerts. And they have a very good win rate anyway, and they do really well. On my alerts, premium alerts channel at the Freedom Income Discord group, they win rates like 85% plus. Risk is limited. There's lots of risk mitigation or adjustment techniques or rolling techniques which we can minimize our losses or even turn losing trades into a winner a lot of the time despite market condition. So anyway, I want to short 4740 put. So 4740 is here. I want to short this one. Okay, and I want to short two of this. So this one's got to be double, 4740. It's got to be two contracts. Okay, so that's one contract of that, two contracts of that, and I just want one more trade, which is to long a contract on the 4785 put. So 4785 put, which is 4785 put, which is here, and I want to long it, and just the one. And there's a put. Right, so I just want to make sure, because I'm talking and focusing on everything at the same time, so I just want to make sure. Yep. So there we go. So that's I just want to double check this first. So yeah, so I want probably a limit price of less than 550. Probably like even less, probably 520. We'll see what happens. Probably can get that for 520 if I pass it through. So of course you can choose different quantities. You can do 2, 3. The profit you make or the losses you make will be different depending on how many contracts overall you choose. But I'm just going to choose one for this one because the markets are a little bit tough at the moment, if I'm being honest.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's your order filled. So that filled at 520. Okay, so that's, now we take it over there. So I've just paid basically $520 for that this trade here, which is this one here. Right, and we'll see what happens. Oh, that for a second there, I was already actually in like quite a bit of profit. You can see that's this trade here. So these trades are doing fairly well just now. But anyway, so that's 520. Market level. It's now. We'll see. I paid about 520 for that. So we'll see what happens. But the thing is, this is only swing trade. So typically, I like to swing trade, which isn't like day trading. I find day trading is a bit guessy. It's kind of a guesswork, too much guesswork and too much time in front of the screen. I don't really like it. So I much more prefer just to take my trade, let it go, check it once every couple of days or few days only, and then see what happens. Sometimes you don't need to do much and just let the trade take care of itself. I prefer trading that way. I think it's just much more predictable. Probability of win is very high, especially when you trade options professionally with these strategies. It's just much more, your risk is your risk is mitigated. You really limit your risks, and it's predictable. So let's say you want to do a credit spread, yeah, again, you just make sure the strategy tester's on, and then you do one there and one there, and then and that's a credit spread or in condor. So that's how you open multiple legs and send an order through using interactive brokers. So if you guys are interested, you can come over to the Freedom Income Discord group. I'll include a link in the comments area, and you can check it out. And I give alerts. I give almost daily sports betting alerts. And today we did quite well. I'm going to do quite well quite a lot of the time. And I give swing crypto alerts. I know there's a couple of recent small losses because of the market, but we had loads of wins before that, 40%, 50%, 80%, and so on. And there's iron condors, there's credit spreads, there's put selling options. In fact, that options trade I just took, I'm actually going to put it in here. I'm going to have to type it out here. So I'm going to log off here, and I'm going to type that alert there. You guys can follow along. These are all live. Just as soon as I take it, I put it on. And plus, it's not that urgent. Even if you don't take it within 5 or 10 minutes, the price doesn't move much anyway, because these are swing trades. Even if you see my alert like 2 hours later, sometimes it's actually better. You're better off because you can get a better price, because these are swing typically. Even if you do take it the next day, sometimes it's okay, but I wouldn't recommend more than 2 days later. But if you see my trade alert, as long as it's on the same day or the next day, you should be fine. Anyway, guys, follow along. This is how you want to make money, really. It's very consistent, professional options trading, also swing trading, crypto swing we're talking about, not just sort of day trading stuff. And sports betting, I'm playing around with quite a few things, a lot of bet on drawers. Most people don't bet on drawers, but that's where you want to be. And also some horses, do your research, good high win rate. Anyway, guys, happy trading.